Now we are going to solve the third problem of the exercise in 12.1. So our question is figure 12.3 depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions. From the center outward as a gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold's score is 21 centimeter. And each of the other band is 10.5 centimeter wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring region. Okay. So to find here in this question we have to calculate the area of the individual circles. To calculate the area of the individual circles by use of the 2 points. One is by use of the radius of this gold circle. Given is in the question given is the radius of the gold circle, and another one is these bands are separated by a width of 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so to find the area of the individual circles, so the area of circle formula is pi r square. Okay, so first we calculate the area of this first circle. Let us consider this is the first circle, this is second circle, this is third, fourth, fifth. Okay, so the area of the first circle is pi r1 square. This radius of this first circle is r1 square. Okay. Next pi value is 3.142 into the radius of the first circle is given already, and 10.5 whole square, nothing but 3.142 into 10.5 whole square is 346.50 centimeter square. This is what the area of the first circle. Next, similarly, the area of the second circle. Now you calculate the area of this circle. Okay, see, here the radius of the second circle is the radius of first circle. Okay, here to here, and the distance from this center to up to this point. Okay, that is what the radius of the second circle. So the area of this second circle, area of this entire circle is pi r2 square. Okay. So r2 square, r2 means radius of second circle, the radius of this second circle. Okay, 3.142. Okay, so the radius of the gold circle is in 10.5. Okay, in the given, each band is at a width of 10.5 centimeter. So you have to add 10.5 centimeter, then you get the radius of the second circle. Okay, so that 10.5 plus 10.5 is 21. Okay, the radius of second circle is 21 centimeter. Okay, the area of the second circle is 1386. Okay, centimeter square. Okay, similarly, we can calculate the area of the third circle. So, to calculate the area of the third circle, we require a radius of this third circle. The radius of the third circle is obtained by adding the 10.5 to the radius of the second circle. If you add 10.5 is a width of the bandwidth. Okay, so that you have to add, then you are getting an 31.5 radius. This is the radius of the third circle. Okay, the area of the third circle is becomes 3118.50 centimeter square. Okay, next one, fourth circle. The radius of the fourth circle nothing but this black circle, black region. Okay, we are going to calculate the area of this entire fourth circle. Okay, this radius is okay. So r3 plus 10.5. The bandwidth is 10.5 centimeter. Okay, so you just add r3 radius r3 plus 10.5 centimeter. You will getting a radius of the fourth circle. The radius of the fourth circle is, if you add 31.5 plus 10, then it becomes 42. So that the radius of the fourth circle is 42. Okay, A4 is equal to becomes 5544. Okay, 0.47 centimeter square. Likewise, the area of the fifth circle. Okay, radius of the fifth circle is 52.5 is obtained by adding the 42 to 10.5, then it becomes 52.5. So that the area of the fifth circle is area of the fifth circle is 8662.50 centimeter square. Okay, so this is what an area of the individual circles. Area of the individual circles. So our aim is to calculate the area of the particular colored circles. Okay, so here now the area of the gold region. Here the radius is given. Radius is at 10.5 centimeter. By use of that radius, we can calculate the radius of the gold region. So area of the gold region equals to, that is what area. It is equivalent to the area of the first circle. The area of the first circle is 346.50 centimeter square. Okay. So similarly for the red region, if we calculate the area of this red region, we have to subtract this entire circle with this gold circle. If we subtract this red area of the second circle with the gold circle, then we get what area of this red circle. Okay, red region. So for the red region, area of the red region is the area of the second circle minus area of the first circle becomes 1386 minus 346.50 means 1039.50 centimeter square. This is what an area of the red region. Okay. Similarly, the blue region. The area of the blue region is obtained by subtracting the area of the third circle. Area of the third circle minus area of the second circle. Then we get what area of the blue region. Okay. Similarly for the black region and the white region. Okay. So finally we get the area of the white region is 3118.03 centimeter square. Okay. So this is what third problem. Okay. Next.